How to create a photo collage on Facebook story. So if you want to create a photo collage on Facebook story, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, now if you want to create a photo collage, then you need to just go with what's on your mind, and on the right side you will have the albums option. Tap on photos or albums, and from here you can go with select multiple and then select multiple photos. After adding some multiple photos, you need to go with next, which is on the bottom right, and from here you will have your layout. So you can go with columns layout or banner layout or frame. You'll also have an option of photo collage, so you just need simply go and select photo collage, or if you're under create post option you won't find it, so you just need simply go with story section. So tap on create story and then select multiple. After selecting multiple, go with next, and here on the bottom you will have photo collage. Tap on it, which is on the middle, and that's it. You can tap to change the style if you want to, and adjust the collage wherever you like. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.